I genuinely love serving people, whether it's my team or people that come through the door as customers. We hold ourselves to the same standard that AAA holds us to as far as customer satisfaction and quality of repair. Christian Brothers is a nationwide franchise with over 320 locations throughout the country. Here we do everything from oil changes to engine replacements, and everything in between. We have a high sense of urgency here. Our goal is to get your car back as quick as humanly possible, diagnosed right, fixed right, and proven that it's fixed right with our quality control test drives and whatnot. We're full transparency. Anything that you come to the car that's bent, broken, missing, needs replaced, you're gonna have a picture or a video of your vehicle, your components. Anytime you have service done, we do a courtesy inspection for you free of charge. We bring it in, do that same digital vehicle inspection, tires, brakes, shocks, struts, leaks, anything you could think of on the car that needs to be addressed, you'll know about it. What makes Christian Brothers unique is we have a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on all of our repairs, and it's not, which comes first, it's whatever comes last. We do what's called a National Service Day. We serve single mothers, widows, just families in need. We start with basic oil changes and basic maintenance type items and stuff like that. We also go above and beyond and do, brake jobs. We've done some tires, some safety repairs just to make sure folks' cars are safe on the road.